All rise. Court is now in session. Welcome, Judge Evie. Welcome to Judge and Jury, where you, the subscriber, free thinker, decides who's guilty or not guilty. Please leave your comments in the chat. Sit back. Turn all your cricket phones off right now. Judge Evie will not have it in her court. Instead of beef, let's take it to court. Who's guilty? Who's not guilty? Welcome to Judge and Jury with Judge Evie. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Judge and Jury with Judge Evie. I am not officially live in the courtroom, but sometimes we got to push these stories out when we can. Now, as you can see in the actual thumbnail, Drake versus XXX, okay? It's a hot mess, okay? Listen, according to a lot of outlets, Drake is refusing, okay? He is ducking a deposition in the XXX murder trial that is officially underway. Okay, most of you guys are aware these young men right here decided to end this man's life. Now, let me be clear as Judge Evie. There is no way that X had just left a bank with $50,000 cash and these Bammers decided just to hit a lick and happen to be in the same place with XXX. Now, allegedly, in my own opinion, this was an official setup. If most of you guys are a true X fan, you guys already know this man was way before his time. I'm talking about if you really listen to his lyrics, okay, somebody was mad. This young man was absolutely woke, okay? So there's no way you can tell me that this wasn't a setup. Or a hit, okay, in my own opinion. Now, the problem is Drake is actually refusing. So according to reports, Drake's armed guards, they blocked the subpoena to testify in the X trial, lawyers said. Now, the legal effort to have acclaimed rapper Drake give a deposition in the murder trial of X escalates as the superstar, aka Drake, wow, he used armed guards to block a subpoena to testify. Now, most of you guys know they need Drake's testimony because his name came up. Now, you know, sometimes when the heat start running down on folks, this young man down here, yes, ma'am, yes, sir. This one giving up all the heat, and he brought Drake's name up in it. Now, most of you guys are aware that when X was alive, him and Drake was beefing heavily. And he always said, if I should die, blame Drake. Now, this ain't no allegedly. This is what X said. And may he rest in peace and shout out to his family. But see, this is we have a problem when Drake is too busy making billions, okay? A fellow artist lost his life. You mean to tell me? No how. As a judge, I'd have had you arrested ASAP, put an official warrant out, because you will come in here up under a full certified subpoena, sir. Let's be clear. Now, back to what the media is talking about. Okay, so y'all know the motion was filed in Broward County. Lawyers for the defense seek aid in serving him and again want contempt charges if he doesn't show. Where's my gavel? Where's my gavel? If you find Drake, bring him around here to Judge and Jury with Judge Evie. Let's be clear. So Broward Judge Michael Hussein already vacated an order on Tuesday that aimed to compel Drake, whose real name is Aubrey Drake Graham. Okay, Drake, let's be clear. Lord have mercy. He has to give a virtual deposition on February the 24th. The order will have added the threat of possibly being held in contempt if Drake don't run his Bama head, self up running. And he run around in everybody else's business, making bets for the Super Bowl. Sir, I'm going to need you to virtually, before you be held in contempt of court round shit. Okay? Drake already missed a January 27th deposition. Now, let me ask you this. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and leave it in the comment section. Do you think celebrities are absolutely exempt from following the law? Now, most of you guys know this is the last official picture. Trigger warning. This looks like an absolute hit, in my own opinion. When X was leaving out, and he did have a friend with him who was officially testifying. It was, like I say, these full Bamas right here. Now, the way they blocked that car in, you can't tell me you just happen to see X rolling around. No, you guys blocked him in. This was an official hit, in my own opinion. So defense lawyer Mauricio Padilla, who is representing Dietrich Williams, one of the three. Okay, let's get these Bamos back up of it. One of the three facing robbery and murder charges, still retained the power to subpoena Drake to testify in the case after Hussein's Tuesday order. So on Friday, Judge Padilla issued a motion to the court to have it again require that Drake give a deposition. Now, like I stated earlier, if he does not, he will be headed right on to prison. Because let's be clear, you guys had a history of going back and forth. Most of you guys know XXX was very, very before his time. Absolutely before his time. And it's all, if you go back to his lyrics, he saw a lot. Okay. So the court is getting ready to go ham. The court explained the importance of balancing the rights of the defendants to investigate this first degree murder case properly with Audrey, aka Drake Graham's privacy issues. The motion read, it was clear by the court's ruling that he expected for the parties to work together, and despite entering the order vacating, that he expected the deposition to take place. Okay, so Drake, I'm gonna need you to have your billionaire self around here. Now, if you're innocent, what is the problem? Okay, what is the problem? This young man lost his life early. Let's be clear, sir. Now, I'm gonna tell you like this. When people, y'all see how the young thugger trial is rolling. When people are backed up into a corner, they will start singing. Do you understand me? So I will keep you posted on whether Drake show fake love or real love around here and head himself on up over there virtually to give that deposition with these allegations. These guys are saying that Drake is involved. And once again, I rest in peace to XXX. I told you guys that he always said if something happened to me, blame Drake. Guys, this is Judge and Jury with Judge Evie. Will Drake be held accountable to get himself on over there and answer to that deposition, or will they have to actually put a warrant out for him? Okay, now the problem would be is trying to catch him. He's a busy man over there in Canada and this place and that, but nobody is above the law. Let's be clear. This trial has already started. People are singing. These young guys, to me, in my own personal opinion, was absolutely paid to carry out this. Look at this setup here. Okay? Only a professional would know how to do that block-in trick. That's all I can say. I'm at liberty to say. Okay? You guys be blessed. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Will XXX and his family receive justice? I sure will be watching. And Drake, you and your fake love, I'm going to need you to virtually be in the building, okay? Virtually, February 24th. Don't let that judge have to put a warrant out on you. Because if it was Judge and Jury with Judge Evie's way, you'd be locked up right now. Lord have mercy. Rest in peace to X. Guys, go over and check out his music. He was so before his time. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay. He's very lucky. Because see, this judge that is presiding over Young Thugger's case, Judge Glanville, he'd have had Drake in there quicker than you can eat Popeye's chicken. Yes, indeed. This is Judge and Jury with Judge Evie. You guys have an amazing day. Happy Sunday. I will keep you posted on the YSL trial. I will also see if Drake is implemented and will he show up for this deposition for the second time. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's Judge and Jury with Judge Evie. Thank you.